Your face is not clear. Face no clear नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
English. You all are speaking in English. Hindi plus English. हाँ. Because my face is black. Because my face is black. हाँ. Yes. हाँ. Your English is very good. Excellent. Your English is very excellent.
Thank you. और घर में सब ओके?
Yes, everything is okay. Happy Diwali.
और आपको भी सेम टू यू.
And
सबको पूरे परिवार को.
thank you.
रोटी बनाऊंगी. ठीक है. अब मैं अंकल के लिए आटा रोटी बनाने जा रही हूँ.
Okay. हाँ.
ले बात करने के लिए चलो.
I am telling you, just behave your language, okay? Otherwise, I will. You know, na?
No, I don't know. Where is your naughty brother?
Where is your naughty sister?
I have no any sister.
Me too.
See too.
I will throw you.
I will get you.
You know what are you saying?
What I'm saying?
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Naughty boy.
Bullshit. You know what is the meaning of bullshit?
बात चली रही है क्या?
Mossy and you know what is the meaning of bullshit? Bull. Bull and shit. What is the meaning of bull? Akash, bull.
देखो.
Bull meaning bull. Cow, bull.
नहीं बोल का मतलब क्या होता है?
Cow. Hey, are you studying in one class? You don't know what is the meaning of bull? Cow.
ये दोनों में? इसमें भी अच्छी है?
Yes.
उठ रहे थे तो.
What are you saying?
मैं तो पटाखे उठ रहे हैं.
I am telling you, you are bullshit.
मैं अभी सुना तो है ये.
उस पर सिट पे ही चल रही है कहानी जब से.
He don't know what the meaning of shit, and he is asking shit.
उसको shit का मतलब ही नहीं पता. अभी तो नहीं पता होगा भाई. अभी तुम्हें कौन सा पता था उस टाइम पे? अभी
That's why I'm saying you that you are shit. That yes, I am shit.
सिट माने क्या है? हाँ?
Akash, why you behaving like that? That you don't know? Are you paralyzed?
दोबारा बात नहीं करेगा तेरे से. तुमने क्लास ले ली.
Akash,
पता करते हैं उसका.
Yes. What's the problem? Tell me.
my problem is that you are bullshit and you are not accepting it. Accept it, na, that you are. Accept yourself. Yes. Yes. Yes, you are.
You don't know how to behave other people.
What? You are disappointing me, okay?
What?
You are disappointing me.
No, I'm not disappointed you.
Say it again. Repeat it. Repeat it.
आकाश तो खूब मजाक उड़वा रहा है, हाँ? अभी इनको पूरी इंग्लिश में ऐसे मतलब लग जाओ तुम इंग्लिश में, इनको अच्छे से जवाब दो, है कि नहीं? सारे सीखो।
Akash,
I know.
what is the spelling of spelling?
SPELLING.
Wrong. I said spelling.
स्पेलिंग ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
No, you are wrong. Wrong.
No, that you are wrong person.
You are. I said spelling of spelling.
Spelling of spelling.
You are confused. You are confused. You are wrong. You are confused, man. If you're not confused, then you will accept it. Okay. That's why I'm saying that you are shit.
Keep quiet.
Oh, so you have nothing to say. Hmm? You have no English, no words to say in English. Are you studying in CBSE board now?
No. NCRT solution board. हाँ मैं.
You are lower than UP board, okay?
क्या?
You are a lowest person from the UP board.
अच्छा भैया. ये बोला कि हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल दिया.
हाँ
हाँ हाँ बोल दिया।
हाँ
अच्छा. और बताओ क्या व्हाट्सएप.
या व्हाट्सअप
पता है आप पापा उठ रहे हैं.
yes but not near mine, almost after 1 kilometer.
हाँ तो पास से उठ रहे हैं.
So that is your problem ना.
अरे नीचे उठ रहे हैं.
So
दिवाली तो कर लेना.
so
तो दिवाली में नहीं आओगे.
so
अरे उसको छोड़ दे, वो दीपावली में जाना है।
दिवाली में नहीं आ रहे.
if I will not come, so
So you naughty boy.
you are a shit, okay? And accept it. When you pray to God, so accept it, okay? When you eat the food, accept it. When you watch the TV, accept it. When you study, then accept it. You know what is the meaning of bullshit?
You shut up.
You have nothing to say, I know. And you are feeling insecure now? You are not more than enough? You are behaving like ridiculous. Your enthusiasm has gone. Now where are you watching? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, I know. What are you trying to say?
What I told, tell me.
Why?
Tell me na why. What you had to understand. Tell me any one word.
No.
Just translate it in
You know
English.
my... What?
Okay, bye.
No, where is your naughty? Where is your naughty brother?
Mm.
I'm sleeping.
Yes.